If you would like to combine your Google Scholar results with results that can be found on San Jose State's OneSearch, you will go to Google Scholar, which is scholar.google.com, and click on the drop-down menu bar, the 3-bar, and go to Settings. In Settings, there is a link called Library Links on the left. Click on Library Links and begin to type in San Jose State University. When you have that in and you've searched it, you'll click the box that says San Jose State University, find it at SJSU. Save that, and now when you search in Google Scholar, you can find the links to resources on the right-hand side that will allow you to access through your account at San Jose State.